This is how we can change inverted camera on iPhone. So you open up the settings and you want to find the camera section, the camera menu within the main settings page. So as you can see, it is right below accessibility, so I can get it there. And so I scroll through these options and you want to find the menu for mirror front camera. So it might be enabled or disabled, and obviously there isn't any right or wrong answer. You have to kind of like test it out for yourself. But if you have it set a certain way, for example, I have it enabled, and if I don't like it, I can of course disable it, and now it's going to be different, right? So that's how we can change it. And this is the toggle which you can switch in between, and I would just recommend you to open up the camera, go to the front facing mode, and test it out that you place something on the left or right side, and you can see that in the photo it flipped to the other. So if you have it like this, then of course you can disable or enable the mirror front camera, and now when I put the subject on the left and capture the photo, you'll see that the plant is on the right and it didn't move to the left just like was before. So that's the difference. Of course, you need to choose the option you like more. Definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.